This is how you can install our Nulife app on your iPhone. As you can see on the screen, you have Safari. The Safari is the browser you have to open. You're going to click on Safari. It's going to open. So what you're going to do, you're going to paste the link that we sent to you on the browser. It's going to open. Now when it's open, you're going to see the app. You're going to click on the center, the bottom of the center share, and it's going to open. You're going to click all the way down, add to home screen. You will see the top where it says add. When you click on add, the app will pop up on your screen. You're going to click on the app. It's going to open. As you can see, not all the menus show because all the screen are different. You're going to click the app again, close it. You're going to click on settings. On settings, you're going to look for Safari. When you click on Safari, you're going to pick the second one. When you pick the second one, you're going to go all the way down, look for page zoom. When you click on it, you're going to click on 115% because this is universal for all iPhones. You're going to close the app again. You're going to open the app. Now, as you can see, now you can see all the menu on your phone.